CompTIA A Plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.8. Explain networking tools and their purposes. Networking tools are the essential instruments that IT professionals use to build, analyze, and maintain the vast and intricate world of computer networks. They range from simple handheld devices for wiring tasks to sophisticated software that monitors and optimizes network traffic, each serving a specific purpose in the lifecycle of a network's infrastructure. In this video segment, we will cover some more common networking tools, starting with cable strippers. The cable stripper is a precision tool designed to remove the outer jacket of a cable to reveal the delicate wires inside. This tool is indispensable for anyone looking to install or repair cables. Its precise blades allow for the stripping of various cable thicknesses without nicking the internal wiring, ensuring that your data transmissions remain intact and reliable. Moving on, we have a crimper. This tool is the cornerstone of creating physical network connections. It's used to affix RJ11, RJ45, and F-type connectors to corresponding cables, be it telephone, Ethernet, or coaxial cables, respectively. The crimping tool must apply just the right amount of pressure to secure the connector without damaging the delicate wires inside. Whether you're crafting a custom-length Ethernet cable for a network setup, or attaching a connector to a coaxial cable for a television or internet connection, the crimping tool ensures a snug, stable connection that won't loosen over time. The cable tester is an analytical tool essential for verifying the integrity of network cables. It checks for proper wire pinouts, essential for communication between devices, evaluates signal quality by measuring resistance, signal attenuation, noise, and interference, and can even estimate the length of a cable. This tool is crucial not just for troubleshooting, but also for certifying that a cable meets the required performance standards before it becomes part of a critical network infrastructure. The punch-down tool is another fundamental instrument for network technicians. It allows for the insertion and trimming of wires in one motion, making it perfect for organizing and connecting wires to patch panels and blocks, a common scenario in large network installations. A toner probe set, affectionately known as a fox and hound, is the go-to for tracing cables. When you have a mess of wires and need to find a specific one, the tone generator sends a signal down the wire, which is then detected by the probe. This is incredibly useful for locating specific cables within a bundle or identifying the termination point of a cable on a patch panel, which is often a challenge in complex network environments. A loopback plug is a simple but powerful diagnostic tool. It is primarily used to test network ports and the functionality of the network interface card, or NIC, by redirecting the output signal back into the system as a return signal. This self-communication verifies that the port and NIC can send and receive data correctly, which is a fundamental check for network troubleshooting. A network tap, short for Network Test Access Point, is a dedicated hardware tool designed to facilitate the monitoring of network traffic. It serves an essential role in settings where maintaining high security and conducting thorough traffic analysis are paramount. By integrating a network tap into a specific segment of a network, it can duplicate all the data traversing that segment and redirect the copies to a separate monitoring device for detailed examination. This capability enables in-depth observation and analysis of network activities while ensuring that the regular flow and function of the network remains unaffected. Lastly, a Wi-Fi analyzer is a modern necessity in the arsenal of network tools. It is used to assess the quality of Wi-Fi signals. It can even help create a signal heat map to visualize signal strengths across different areas, as well as identify channels with less traffic for optimal performance and reduced latency. This is particularly beneficial when optimizing a wireless network to ensure the best possible connectivity for users. In summary, Each tool that was described is an essential component of a network technician's toolkit, playing a pivotal role in the successful setup and maintenance of network infrastructures. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.